Click on the link below to get price. Thanks for joining us today as we dive deep into the electrifying world of electric biking. If you're an adventure seeker who craves convenience and excitement, then you're in for a real treat with this episode. Today, we're shining the spotlight on the incredible X-Hunter Electric Bike, a machine that's not just about getting from point A to B, but about the journey and adventure that awaits you. Now, let's kick things off by talking about what truly makes the X-Hunter stand out: its impressive 750W brushless motor, which can peak at a whopping 1400W. Just imagine zipping through city streets, conquering rugged trails, or gliding along sandy beaches at exhilarating speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Whether you're looking to commute to work, explore new terrains, or simply enjoy a leisurely ride, this bike is perfectly designed for anyone who loves adventure. But speed is just one part of the equation. Let's not forget about the powerhouse that keeps this bike going: the upgraded battery. The X-Hunter is equipped with a robust 48V13A lithium-ion battery, which offers an amazing range of 55 to 70 miles on a single charge. Yes, you heard that right. That means fewer worries about running out of juice while you're out exploring. And here's the kicker: this battery is removable, allowing for easy charging at home or work. Plus, in case you're wondering about the elements, fret not. This battery is both dust-proof and damp-proof, ensuring it stays protected and lasts longer, no matter the weather conditions you face. Now, comfort is paramount during any ride, and the X-Hunter excels in this area as well. It boasts a full suspension system that glides over bumps and rough terrain with ease. Picture this: you're navigating a rocky trail, and instead of jolting up and down, you feel like you're floating over the surface. It makes every adventure feel smooth and enjoyable, allowing you to focus on the sights and sounds around you. But wait, there's more. One of the most convenient features of the X-Hunter is its foldable design. After a day of exhilarating rides, you can easily fold it down to a compact size of just 33 by 16 by 30 inches. Weighing in at only 71 pounds, it's light enough to fit perfectly in your car trunk or even on the subway. This gives you the freedom to take your bike wherever your adventures may lead. Now let's talk about ease of use. The X-Hunter comes with an intuitive LCD display that shows essential information like your speed and battery charge. For those concerned about safety, you'll be glad to know that it features front and rear mechanical disc brakes for quick and reliable stops. And if you're a night rider, the bright lights will keep you visible during evening rides, ensuring you can enjoy the roads safely. Plus, with 3 riding modes and a 7-speed gear system, you can easily customize your riding experience to suit your mood or the terrain. The reception for the X-Hunter has been nothing short of fantastic. Riders have rated it an impressive 4.6 out of 5, with many praising its performance and reliability. It's clear that this bike not only meets but often exceeds expectations, leading to an incredibly enthusiastic community of riders. So, let me ask you, are you ready to hit the outdoors with the X-Hunter e-bike? Adventure is just around the corner, waiting for you to explore it. Before we wrap up today's episode, I encourage you to think about your own biking adventures. What places would you want to explore on an e-bike like the X-Hunter? Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the ride. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope you feel inspired to get out there and experience the thrill of electric biking. Until next time, keep biking and stay adventurous. We can't wait to see where your next adventure takes you. Click on the link below to get price.